Types of pollination. Pollination, it is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to stigmas of the same flower or another flower in the same plant. Mixed or crossed pollination, it is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of flower to stigmas of another flower in other plants of the same kind. Methods of mixed cross-pollination. Pollination by air, wind. Flowers which pollinated by air characterized by hanged anther, to be easily opened by air. Stigmas are feathery-like, to catch and stick pollen grains from air. Produce huge number of pollen grains, to compensate the loss in air. Their pollen grains are light in weight and dry, to be easily carried by air. Pollination by insects. Flowers pollinated by insects are characterized by their petals and colored and scented. To attract insects, bee, to feed on its nectar. Their pollen grains are sticky or having coarse surfaces, to stick adhere to the insect body. Artificial pollination. This method of pollination is carried by man. Example, gardeners spread palm trees pollen grains over female flower.